Hi, it's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Let me turn off my headlight thing here. Dang, I just messed it up. Here we go. One more there. So, this is a little bit about on that video I made. Hey, my fresh water tank is overflowing when I hooked to city water. Well, I went over some things, what it caused. I guess when I put the title up, hey, my fresh water tank's overflowing when I hooked to city water, they thought that was a question and people were telling me how to do it. I appreciate that, but the video. All right, so RV means repair vehicle and read volumes of information. The more you read the information, the better and the more money you save, okay? So I'm going to show you what I did, all right? One, this is the line that comes over from the other side to coach where you have city and tank fill. So I put on there tank fill for the individual. Then I put a valve right here. So that'll shut off the tank valve fill over there. All right, I'm going to tell you why. Then this is the water pump, of course, that draws. There's the strainer I talked about. There's the water. It's coming from the water tank right here. Right, it's a bottom feed on the water tank. I've seen some top feed, folks. So, all right, now imagine, all right, if you're overflowing your water tank at a park. You know, some parks, they get a little bit anal about it. Hey, you're leaking water all over the place. Anyway, so how do you know it's the freshwater fill valve, right? Or the water pump that has a check valve in it? Well, let's say you come over here and I put this valve from the output into the potable water feed or city water feed, okay? All right, now I'll turn this and I go, all right, and I listen back here and I go, man, it stopped coming out. So we can continue camping when I get home or I get time. I can take this pump apart, clean the diaphragm, probably because it's got some debris in it, folks. All right, so let's say you did shut this valve off that I just installed, and you go, man, it's still overflowing. So you come to this one. It comes from the city and freshwater fill, and you turn it off, and it stops. Well, guess what? You still can camp, right? Because now you're not leaking all over the place. And move on in life. All right, enjoy it. And when you get home, you got to fix that fresh water fill. I mean, hold on, I'm gonna show you. That's a different culprit. So what I got here is that valve. All right, now you see it down there, that hole goes through. So I'm gonna blow in it. Kind of hard to do this. So when I blow in it, see how this flows right here? It's coming out this way, in, out. Not this way. Now I want to, say, hey, I want it to go to the tank, fill my tank up. Remember, I'm doing it by myself now. Okay, I go. It comes out here. All right. That's a three-way valve. All right. There's a swan on this name. I use all brass and stainless steel ball. If you can see it in there's a stainless steel ball. Barely can see it. There you go. Don't use that plastic crap. But you can. I don't know what your budget is. But here you go. See, like that one. That thing can be rebuilt with O-rings. You'll see fresh water and supply. Fresh water tank. All right, there you go. It's a three-way valve. See? One in, one out, one out. There you go. And I keep O-rings in all of my beaver, just in case, and sometimes I help other people, but this video is about how to overcome that when you're out. So if you put them valves in, one right after freshwater pump, in case it is the freshwater pump, right? You could put a check valve there, but check valves get clogged or stick open. So I just rule that out. Don't even put a check valve there. Use a valve. Shut it off. Oh, my water stopped flowing out of my fresh water tank, so it's my water pump. So when I get time and the wife goes down and buys wine or whatever, spends some money, disappears for 2 hours, I pull my pump, clean it up. There you go. Or you get home and do it. Or let's say you shut this off and it's still flowing out. You shut this one off. It's off because it's not in line with the hose. This comes from that three-way valve across. See, tank fill. All right, you shut it off. If it stops, then it's that tank fill valve over there, or three-way valve. All right, I had to go out to my coach and get this. Quick video, folks. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'll be sending this to the owner. So I put him water heater bypass up. That means it's bypassing the water heater, right? So you can winterize it. And down for water heater or cold water flow. There you go. So I put that up there somehow. His label was missing or whatever. See, there's that right there. Look, it's the same as this one. This one I just got fittings on. There you go. Look, see. So this is supposed to go behind a panel, but it's okay. It's good. All right, who's going to see it anyway? Because the basement door is going to be closed. Thank you much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember the motto. Test not guess. You're right. All right. I don't guess. There's a lot of people, heck, change that out. Well, yeah, you just bought a damn pump. I don't know. Some of them are $65. I buy quality stuff, $160, $200. Right? And imagine guessing, and you find out it's that damn three-way valve over. That's a lot of fun getting that bad boy out. So, I want to make sure, right? Sure, S, put a $sign URE, guess, 2 S's, double the money because you're guessing. All right, test, right? S, $sign, test, not guess. All right, remember I got a mini campground down here. Stay while you wait. There's school here. There's, I can repair here. If you help me, then the bill is a lot less, and you learn. That's what I'm retired, folks. I'm just making, a little bit of money on the side till my wife retires. She retires 1 year, 5 months, and 28 days, but who's counting? Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Please give me a thumbs up that you like this damn thing. Put some comments in there, and also subscribe, folks. There's a little thing when you subscribe that'll tell you that I'm putting new ones up. I think this is 770 something, I don't know. And use the playlist, like anything that's under 12 volts, anything in the coach and the RV, the camper that works off that battery, or your alternator on your gas or diesel is under 12 volts. Anything that's under 120, like your transfer switches, your microwaves, all that stuff, power reel, 50 amp, 30 amp, that's under 120. That's a playlist. Playlist 120, playlist 12 volt, playlist plumbing. You gotta learn. It's under plumbing. That's toilet, sink valves, aerators getting clogged, water tank, even though I kind of now have water tanks up there for you because I don't know why. Use the playlist, folks. Thank you very much.